Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something different. I'm not doing any DIY projects. Some of you guys have asked about on the forums how M Performance exhaust sounds like with or without M Performance power kit. This car, my friend's car, happens to have M Performance power kit installed and M Performance exhaust installed on it too, and I believe has been driven about 10 to 12,000 miles on it. And then over time, what happens is the exhaust system sounds way better and gets a little bit more enriched, and you get the verbal feedback. So what I wanted to do was make a quick video of showing how the sound system sounds like after a few months or driving 10 to 12,000 miles on the car. So stay tuned. What I'm going to do is hop in the car and get the mic and camera set up so we can get the exhaust note on there for you guys. So what you guys have noticed is I didn't do a cold start on this time because obviously if you have the M Sport exhaust or not, on the cold start it's super loud. Around 10 seconds it dies down. So hopefully the guys who are on the verge of getting the M Performance exhaust, or if you guys don't want to get it, hope this will help. What I'll do is I'll also link my first video down when I actually got the M Performance exhaust last year and did a cold start video and afterwards, so you can see a difference how the exhaust sounds like after about 10 12,000 miles on the car. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, more videos to come. Thank you.